Hey guys, today I'm going to be making salt with soap slime, and that's pretty much it. The kitten keeps trying to get to my computer. Okay, finally she stopped. Gotta grab this real quick. I don't know where it is. I'll just do this. My phone fell because I'm setting it up on a t-shirt. So first I'm gonna put, I know this works because my cat. What do you put? Yeah, I put soap first. I'm not gonna make that much because I just don't want to waste my mom's brand new soap. And I already made it. So you see, there's soap on it. It's pink, so you can't really see it in the brightness. Everybody says it doesn't work, but it does. I wouldn't call it like slime, but it's like snow slime. You could add food coloring to this Polo put it. But since it's snow, I don't want to. It's gonna be pink since my soap is pink. Polo, quit trying to get into the salt. So, again, it's not slime, but it's like a snow consistency. So, you can't see it still. That's all over my hands. It's pink because the soap is pink. I'm going to add this to my other snow slime because I have a whole bunch more because I made it with my friends. Before I made it on video, the crystal. So I guess you wouldn't say it failed, but you wouldn't say it's slime. It's snow. So that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you're new. And check out my video that I did on Polo. All the videos that I did on Polo. Bye.